This is CES 2025, where tech companies from all around the world gather in Las Vegas to wow us with their hot new technology and to bring solutions to our biggest problems. And I am here to review the best of the bests at this exhibition.
Hi everyone, this is Valentine and today I am at the CES 2025. I was walking through CES, minding my own business, and suddenly what do I see? Dreame. And I see a pool. And I was like, why there is a pool? Dreame is doing robotic vacuum cleaners. They're doing hair care. What about this pool? So I came here and I see that 2025 launch announced at the CES. From now on, Dreame is creating and selling robotic pool cleaners. And they went out with 3 models, Z1, Z1 Pro, and the J1. They have this huge pool right here that looks super cool. And I filmed inside the pool, I filmed outside the pool, I filmed from through the walls, so you're gonna see every single thing right here. And this is so very cool. Well, let's get started with the review.
So guys, it was an amazing experience attending the CES 2025. I had so much fun. I met all of the Dreame team. They are all absolutely amazing stuff. Shout out to Sophia. She's the most favorite person in the entire world, literally. Now guys, let's concentrate on the product. So Dreame launched 3 robotic pool cleaners this year. So they got the J1 model, which is priced at $699. So this one is a solar powered, so it's gonna work 24/7 for you. Now the next model is the Z1. It is all about cleaning inside of your pool, the underwater. It climbs walls, it will clean your water line. The price of this one is $1,199 before any discounts, any promotions, and any sales, of course. This is the full type of the product. I will always recommend you guys to check out for discount codes down below at the description box to this video of mine. Who knows, maybe you can find some coupon codes that can save you some money. Now the Z1 launching at the first quarter of 2025, and it has a high power suction ability. The difference between the Z1 and the Z1 Pro is that the Z1 has no remote control, while the Z1 Pro comes with a remote control. That's the main difference. But the Z1 Pro also has better technology, and it's more improved type of a model. Now the Z1 has a high power suction ability for any type of debris, sand from the bottom of your pool, and so very on. It's excellent at the horizontal waterline cleaning. It works with the Pool Sense cleaning route optimization type of a technology, as well as it has an intelligent navigation and path planning. And this one can be connected to an app, and you can fully navigate and control your robot through the smart application. It has an auto poolside parking, which means once it's gonna be done with the cycle of cleaning your pool, it's gonna park itself at the water line, so it will be easy for you to pick it out of the pool. So no more, all these pool sticks that you need to go and hunt for your robot through all your entire pool. Not such a thing. This one will do the auto parking up there at the water line of your pool, so you can just easily grab it with your hand. And the Z1 has an impressive running time of 180 minutes. Now guys, let's move to our star. And that's the model that this video is going to be about, the Z1 Pro. This one's going to stand for $1,599. That's the full price of this one, as well as this one going to be launched at the first quarter of 2025 as well. This is excellent at the underwater cleaning. It has a high power suction ability with a large dustbin that's going to collect all of the large and small debris, like large leaves or even the smallest particles from all around your pool. It is able to do the horizontal waterline cleaning, which is very impressive and cool. It has an intelligent suction adjustment, as well as it works on the Pool Sense cleaning route optimization technology, which means it is gonna create an intelligent, a smart cleaning path to clean your pool. Now it also works with an intelligent navigation and path planning. It has an auto poolside parking, same as Z1, which is extra cool in my opinion. It has an intelligent suction adjustment, so which means that once it is gonna sense a lot of dirt, a lot of sand underneath, it's gonna increase automatically the suction to do a better job and to be sure that every possible particle up to the very last one is gonna be captured inside of the dustbin of this robotic pool cleaner Z1 Pro. It works with the LIFI remote control, which is extra cool, as well as it comes with a strong battery, which is gonna give a 240 minutes of a run time. All of these are cordless robotic pool cleaners, and they are powerful, smart, and a hassle-free pool cleaner that everyone out there is deserved for sure. The cord-free design is definitely a huge advantage because who is even using products with cords these days? It's like such an old school to use a robotic pool cleaner or anything else literally with a cord. Now the Z1 Pro has no cord as well as the Z1, and that's definitely a great advantage because it is freeing you up from any type of a tangled cord, any type of a trouble, as well as it's way safer than having a real cord inside of water running and working with electricity. Now the Z1 and Z1 Pro works on the Pool Sense technology as I mentioned before. This is the world's first ultrasound and 3D structured light fusion positioning solution for robotic pool cleaners. That means that the Z1 Pro will automatically recognize different pool shapes, so it will understand what is the shape of your pool and it's gonna adjust itself and the cleaning strategies according to your pool shape, as well as it's gonna create the most optimal routes for the best results of cleaning. It works on an advanced zoning algorithms and it is doing S-shapes routes, which is especially ideal for complex and hybrid type of pools. So it doesn't matter what shape your pool is, it can be the most exotic shape of a pool. The Z1 Pro as well as the Z1, they are gonna do a great job and they're gonna adjust themselves to the size and to the shape of your pool. The Z1 Pro has a dual brushless motor which is delivering an impressive 8,000 of GPH suction ability for a great performance, so it's able to collect any possible dirt, even the smallest particles. So it effortlessly eliminates any leaves, dirt, algae, and any other debris from your pool by creating a cleaner and more enjoyable swimming environment all year around. Also, the brushing system is built that way that it actually scrubbing back and forth. So it scrubs the floor of your pool as well as the walls, and by that type of technology, it's effectively removing dirt, stains, and debris from all pool surfaces. The brushes are made from silicone material. They are soft and smooth, but at the same time, they can clean really well as they can vacuum everything inside. As a result, your walls, your pool floor, and your water line is gonna be extra clean. Now guys, I've already told you that the Z1 Pro comes with a handheld remote control, which uses the LiFi, L-I-F-I technology for underwater communications. So it has this plate on top of it, and what you do, you point the remote on this plate on top, on the surface of the Z1 Pro, and you just give commands to your robot through the remote. You can absolutely do the same thing, by the way, through the smart application that this robot comes with. Now, by the way, the Z1 Pro can work with saltwater pools or with the freshwater pools. It doesn't matter. It can do them all. The Z1 Pro can accurately avoid any type of obstacles inside of your pool. So let's say you have some pumps or some filters installed on the floor of your pool or on the walls. Well, the Z1 Pro will very successfully avoid any type of obstacles, and it will intelligently navigate just literally around them. Now the Z1 Pro works on 4 different cleaning modes for any type of a need. So it has the standard mode, which covers the pool floor, walls, and water line all in a single session. Then it has the floor only mode, it has the wall only mode, and it has the water line only mode as well. So you're welcome to choose whichever will work the best for you. Guys, in general, I am such a huge fan of this robotic pool cleaners, and I'm a fan of Dreame in general, and I am super excited that I could attend the CES 2025 and visit their booth. It was a great experience. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check Dreame out. I will leave you all of the links and all the necessary information down below at the description box to this video of mine.
Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Be so very sure to check Dreame out. Their new robotic pool cleaners. Now, there are 3 models, and the J1 is going to launch May 2025. So stay tuned for the J1 and the Z1 and Z1 Pro. All the information, all the coupon codes, how to save some money of yours. I'm going to leave you all the information down below at the description box. Right now, there is the early bird promotion, which is so much worth it to get it right now. Pre-order it. You better get it right now because the early bird promotion is absolutely amazing. All of the details down below at the description box to this video of mine. Well guys, that was actually all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.